what's up? Welcome to my backyard. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today we're gonna be doing a grand slam breakfast on the Blackstone. So no further ado, let's get down to the recipe. So we're gonna start off with some sausage. Gotta love some sausage for the morning. You know you're gonna add some bacon. Ain't nothing better than bacon for breakfast. That smells delicious. Look at that bacon, nice and crispy. Give us another little flip. That would crisp that back end right there. Tell you right now, just with these two items right here on the griddle, it's smelling good. Get a nice beautiful color on these sausages. Bacon heaven right here, baby. Woo, beautiful. Nice good color on these sausages. I love mine flipped on all four sides. That way when you take a nice bite, you got just a perfect exterior. Alright, so we're going to take some of this bacon fat and some of this sausage fat. Bring it on this side. Eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now when I scrambled these eggs, I added a little bit of milk, make them nice and creamy. Alright, so I got this side turned off. Alright, let's go ahead and move these over here to this side. And we're going to keep this side off. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and lay down a little bit of butter. I'm going to go ahead and lay down some nice fluffy pancakes here. The perfect circle, you see that? It's perfect. It's perfect. Yeah, you'll just start seeing like the little bubbles come up on top. Once you start seeing it like around the edge, drying up a little bit, then that's when you want to flip it. But yeah, just let it do its thing. It's not that hard. It's not rocket science. It's just breakfast. All right, see how it's starting to dry up a little bit? Now this side will cook a lot faster, so just keep that in mind. just wanna just give it like about 30 to 45 seconds. Yeah, because there's no butter down there, so it's gonna brown up a lot faster. The benefits of being the chef, you always get to try it out first. Yeah, it's got like a hollow. The pancake is ready. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and layer these bad boys. Woo! Little bit more butter. Again, we're gonna just do a couple more pancakes and then plate this bad boy. Ah, yeah. The perfect circle. I don't know, I'm just a little OCD when it comes to like circles and squares and how things look, so. All right, let's go ahead and check this one. Nice golden brown pancake. Like seriously, it doesn't get any easier than this. Woo! Look at that beautiful pancake. I wonder that's why they call them flapjacks. All right, I think it's time to get to plating. There you have it, folks. Blackstone wins on this one. As you can see, this is just a heaping plate of deliciousness. We got the sausage, we got the egg, we got the bacon, and most important part is we got the fluffy pancakes, baby. This stuff right here is gonna be a good meal. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that way you see all my future videos on recipes just like this and many more. If you have any comments or questions, as always, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you shortly. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.